Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set cruise on your Tesla Model Y. First, locate the right-hand stalk on your steering column. This single stalk serves multiple functions, including gear selection and engaging your cruise control system. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is safely in drive. This simple step is crucial for activating the cruise control features effectively and smoothly. Let's get started. To activate traffic-aware cruise control, simply pull the right stalk down one time. Your Tesla will then automatically set your current driving speed as the cruising speed. You'll see a gray icon appear on your display, confirming that traffic-aware cruise control is now active. This intelligent system maintains a set distance from the vehicle ahead, adjusting your speed as needed for a smooth and safe journey. It's a fantastic feature for highway driving. Once traffic-aware cruise control is active, you can easily adjust your speed. Simply scroll the wheel on the end of the right stalk up to increase your speed or down to decrease it. To modify your following distance from the car ahead, push the stalk either left or right. You can select a following distance from 1 car length up to 7 car lengths, giving you precise control over your comfort and safety preferences. Experiment to find what works best for you. For an even more advanced cruising experience, you can engage auto steer. To do this, pull the right stalk down 2 times in quick succession. Auto steer will then provide active steering assistance, helping to keep your vehicle centered within its lane on clearly marked roads. Remember, even with auto steer active, you must always remain fully attentive and keep your hands on the steering wheel. It's a driver assistance feature, not a fully autonomous system. Enjoy the enhanced driving comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.